Hello friends, Yash Mehta here. So some of the common queries that I generally get from our friends is basically what are the stocks that we should look upon, or what are the stocks that we should invest for long term. And apart from this, I get queries related to small cases as well. Small cases I can create and share, but generally I don't like the concept of small cases because it is not a one particular stock, but it is a basket of stock. And whenever you buy or sell, you will have to buy or sell the entire basket. So instead of that, what you can do is you can create your own basket or your own portfolio of 10 to 15 stocks. And suppose if some stock is say down by 10% from its all-time high, or it is down by 20%, then you can add that particular stock. Why should you add the entire basket? So this is the major difference, major thing I don't like about the small cases. Uh, so uh, so with view regarding to this, we have created a new unique thing for our friends, investors friend. So before beginning with that, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for this video as well. And you can share this video, informative video, for to all the friends who are looking for the investment. So what's that unique product all about is we have created a new we have already have our own website, theshareholder.com. So in that you will see a model portfolio section here. So if you just click on this, you will see 7 categories: coffee can investing, blue chip, debt free, balanced portfolio, high dividend yield, mid cap, small cap, micro cap. So these categories I have identified based on the investors' risk. So if you think that there is some other categories that I have missed, so you can mention that in the comment section. We will look upon that category and I will add that category under this bucket. So this is all about the model portfolio category. So before entering into all this category and checking what are the stocks and why they were selected, so just a disclaimer that I have selected only the top 10 stocks that I have analyzed and researched. These stocks I am already tracking. Some of the stocks I have in my portfolio. So this video or none of the stocks is a buy or sell recommendation. You should approach your financial advisor and take suggestion from him before buying or selling any of the stocks in your portfolio. So just make sure that this is not a buy or sell recommendation on any stocks. So let's begin with the model portfolio. The first one is coffee can investing. So this coffee can investing is very interesting and popular in Indian market. So it look upon only the companies which product whose product that you have already used in your day to day life, and it is a common category. You can see the list of the stocks. All these stocks are very common, and at some point of time you have already used their product or services. So this is about the coffee can investing. Second category is blue chip. So conservative traders generally prefer to invest in blue chip stock because these stocks are already very stable and already they are growing. Apart from this, investors believe that these large cap companies generally grow higher, to grow larger as the time passes. So this is about the blue chip category. You can see the list of the stocks on the left hand side, and this was all about the blue chip. Second is third is a debt free category. Debt free category is for the conservative traders. They generally look to invest in a company that is debt free. The major reason is that the company don't have any obligation to pay interest on the loan that they have taken, and also this helps the company to suffer less during the economic slowdown. So this is about the debt free category, and these are the stocks that we have identified under the debt free categories. So this category you can debt-free investors can look upon. The popular category is the balanced portfolio. So it is a balanced portfolio of large cap, mid cap, and small cap. We have selected allocated around like 4 large cap, 3 small cap, and 3 mid cap. And these are the stocks for the balanced portfolio. So what happened is generally the risk in the mid cap and small cap is higher, and like investors don't want to miss the growth in those particular categories, so they generally allocate certain percentage of the capital for the balanced portfolio. So this is about the balanced portfolio of the large, mid, and small cap category. So the fifth category is high dividend yield. So some of the investors believe that they should get certain income as a dividend from equity market. So this is the dividend high dividend yield category, and I have selected the stocks that are fundamentally good and are giving a dividend yield of more than 3%. So 3% is not on the last year basis; it is the entire like 3 to 4 years. So this is the category you can look upon for if you are want a high dividend yield stocks. So this is all about the high dividend yield. The next category is mid cap and small cap. So this category is slightly riskier compared to the balanced portfolio and the large and the blue chips. So it includes only the small and mid cap category of the stocks, and it has the 50-50 allocation in mid cap and small cap. The market cap of this stocks is in the range of 10,000 crore to 25,000 crores, and this is the list of stocks for mid cap and small cap that you can look upon. So the risk is higher, and so is the reward also, but it's a riskier category. So just to make sure that you do a proper due diligence as well. And the last category, the micro cap, it is a very interesting category, but it is the most risky as well. In this category, the market cap we have selected is below 1,000 crores, and these companies are generally very small in size. But if this company grow bigger, then it can create enormous wealth for the investors as well. Uh, so when like just take an example of Infosys, when it was launched in around 3 decades back. Its IPO was launched 3 decades back. It was a very small company, and now you can see the where the stock is. Also, we hear story of Wipro that the ace investors like Premjit sir had invested around 10,000 rupees at that time during the IPO or during the initial days, and now it is worth 500 crores. So this is the power of micro cap, but you have to keep patience if you buy this particular stock, because this stock take time to grow, and it will grow if it is a unique story for the Indian markets. So this is about the micro cap category. So in each category, as you can see, there were 10 stocks only. So what you can do is you can allocate around 10% capital in each of the stock and keep it less diversified. And also, the most important thing is this is not a buy or sell recommendation. So you can do your own proper due diligence and consult your financial advisor as well. And one more important point to notice, suppose on any day, or suppose if a stock goes down by 20-30% on in any month, or from its all-time high, then you can check the charts, or you can do to add those particular stock in your portfolio. Like you can average it down or pyramid at a higher level as well. So it will help you to grow your capital faster. So this was a major advantage of the having in the stock portfolio instead of a small cases or anything. And this is a unique product that we are now giving to our friends, and it is not paid or anything. It is free of cost. So you can visit the website theshareholder.com, and you can just click on model portfolio. Under that, you can have any categories. You can select any categories according to your risk appetite. And also, if you want us to cover any other category, you can mention it in the comment section. And we are planning to add more features to it, generally the subscribe feature. So if any investor subscribe to this, then if we do any changes currently in this particular portfolio, then we will notify about it on a Telegram or Twitter platform as of now. But we are planning to add some features so that if we do any changes here, the investor or the subscriber will get a notification through email. So we will add it soon. So this was all about the model portfolio that we have created for our friends. So you can, if you like this effort of us, then you can hit the like button for this video, and also hit the subscribe button as well. Uh, this was all about the model portfolio, and you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram for more updates related to the market. And there is a disclaimer for this video as well. We are not SEBI registered, hence consult your financial advisor before taking any position based on the analysis of stocks name shared in this video. You will be responsible for the profit and loss that you incur on the trade that you take. Thank you, guys.